Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Jessica Trinavek, and to my returning subscribers, welcome back. So in today's video, it's a vlog and I'll be showing you guys how to make baked chicken potato with white sauce. So I just finished losing my hair and this is what my hair looks like. And this was later in the day. Me and my daughter were going out to go and get some of the ingredients we need for the food. So here we are in this shop where we're gonna get the stuffs for the food, and after that we'll be heading home. So here we are on our way home, going back home. If you're new here, my name is Jessica. As I said earlier on, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you're new, turn on the notification bell so you'll be the first to get notification whenever I upload a new vlog, and also like and comment and share. My YouTube is all about DIY for hair growth, motherhood and vlogs. If it's what you are interested in, kindly stay tuned. So guys, this is what I got. Some milk. This is meat pie myself. This is my daughter's milk. This green pepper is can you guess? This green pepper is 200 naira, guys. 200. I'll just chow this one, and chillax. Maybe in the evening I'll show you guys the meal I'm making for hubby. Yeah, so see you guys in the evening. Oh, my phone has full. What do you want to do for inside this one now? Eh? Don't touch it though. Thank you very much. Hi guys, good morning. So yesterday I was supposed to make the dinner, but I was tired, I had headache, so hubby was like, babe, don't stress, tomorrow you make it. So he ate something else. Yeah. So today I'm making that food I was supposed to make yesterday. Yeah. So come along with me guys. And my small madam helper, where is she? Where is our small helper? See her, our small helper. Yes, say hi guys. And alright, so come along with us, guys.
I don't get why like God bless us with our new food. But right now, see, I don't get this space for my phone. My memory space is finishing. I got lots of vlogging and ideas of what I want to do for my YouTube content. So, or I buy this thing. What do you call it? Camera. That's another way to buy camera.
So guys, I finished dicing the potato. This is what it looks like. I just added salt, oil, pepper and Italian seasoning, and I'll pop this in the oven and allow this to bake, and when it's golden brown I will bring it out. Yeah, so for the sauce here we have garlic, green pepper, onions, chopped onions, the chicken. I marinated it last night, just added black pepper, paprika, salt and oil, and that was it. So I'm also going to be adding more black pepper and Italian spices.
So who we have here? Inside the drawer.
So for the white sauce, I added butter, flour, milk, then mix those together. Then I added cheese. I used mozzarella cheese. It's optional if you want to use mozzarella cheese, or you can use mozzarella and parmesan cheese together. And my daughter was disturbed, so I had to carry her up.
I'm just going to fill it same way you're filling lasagna, and yeah, I'll show you guys the end results. See how.
So guys, it's inside the oven. Yeah. So as it's in the oven baking, I'll use opportunity to wash the plate, clean the kitchen, and let it cook. Then I'll come back and show you all how the food looks like. Keep on watching. Please don't forget to subscribe if you're still here, and turn on the notification bell and also like and comment and share. So guys, the food is ready. This is what it looks like. This tasted so nice, like so amazing. Hubby was like, babe, you're gonna make this again for me. So I'm done cleaning, arranging the kitchen. This is what the kitchen looks like. Baby girl is eating her own potato, and yeah. Go and hug Papa. Go. Go and give Papa a hug. Miyush. Give your Papa a hug. Go give your Papa a hug. Go. Shakara. You doing shakara?